We didn't have gender-specific uniforms in primary school, so as if moving to high school wasn't hard enough, I had to wear boys' uniform. It was just awful. I remember we wore those hideous grey pants that itched, and don't get me started on those shoes. My blazer as well, that was a hand-me-down from my brother. It suffocated me and I felt so trapped. It felt like other people were deciding who I had to be. It's safe to say my wardrobe now is absolutely fab.
If your school is not aware of your gender identity, it may be difficult for them to act and provide support around wearing gender-specific school uniforms. Many teaching staff have never had any training about how to respond to trans pupils and their needs. The Tavistock Clinic and other trans youth groups can support you and your school if you want to disclose your gender identity. Remember, every school has a duty to respond appropriately, as identifying as trans is a protected characteristic under the Equality Act 2010.